Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. With the Maoist observing Martyrs Week from July 28 to August 3 in the state, security has been beefed up in western and southern Orissa district where they wield considerable influence. Security on borders of Orissa with Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Chhattisgarh has been tightened. Combing operations by security forces have also been intensified. An audit on COVID-19 deaths is still underway in Odisha. It will be completed within the next 10 to 15 days, DMET Director CBK Mohanty said today. The DMET is also providing the government with single-day toll reports after reviewing them from all angles, he informed. Senior BJP leader Basavaraj Bommai was sworn in as the 30th Chief Minister of Karnataka by Governor Thawarchand Gehlot today. A Lingayat leader from North Karnataka, he is considered a close confidant of former Chief Minister Yadiyurappa, who recently stepped down. 7 people died, 17 were rescued while 28 went missing Wednesday in flash floods triggered by a cloudburst in Jammu and Kashmir's Kitswar district. A search and rescue operation by police, army and state disaster response force is underway to locate the missing, government sources said. 1 person was killed and 9 others including 4 Border Roads Organization men were feared washed away in a flash flood in Himachal Pradesh, Lahore Spiti early today. The disaster occurred following a flash flood in Tozing rivulet after a cloudburst. Running world champion PV Sindhu advanced to the pre-quarterfinals of women's singles badminton event, but it was curtains for men's singles player B Sai Praneeth at Olympics. In boxing, 2-time Asian champion Indian boxer Pooja Rani outpunched Algeria's Ichrak Cheb in her opening bout to enter the quarterfinals of a maiden Olympic Games. Meanwhile, world number 1 archer Deepika Kumari survived some anxious moments before getting past US teenager Jennifer Musino Fernandez 6-4 to sail into the pre-quarterfinals of the women's individual section and keep Indian medal hopes alive. Indian archer Praveen Jadhav's campaign at the Tokyo Olympics was brought to an end with a 6-0 loss to USA's Brady Ellison in the second round. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.